Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and very good morning. Today I would like to present our new innovation product with the names of Selective Surfactant Nanofiltration Membrane (SNF), and we apply this for desalination process. Okay, let me share with you about the availability of fresh water. Okay, 97.5% of water on our earth in the ocean. Okay, only 2.5 is fresh water. Okay. Okay, what is seawater? Seawater is the water source, okay, with the salinity from 35,000 up to 50,000 ppm of salt. Okay, desalination process actually facing lots of problem. Okay, for example, is low flux and recovery, high operational costs, and also scaling up flexibility. Okay, why this happen? Okay, because membrane technology itself is a very expensive and costly, okay, a very complex process to control. Okay, membrane is having a low surface charge and face a severe fouling. Okay, so to overcome this problem, okay, I would like to suggest a technological solution by using of our new membrane product, okay, that is SNF membrane. Okay, in this membrane we use surfactant, surface active agent, as okay our additive. Okay, why surfactant? Okay, because surfactant offer a higher bioactivity, okay, great biocompatibility, non-toxic and non-inflammatory, okay, and low cost. Okay, I mean surfactant is a low cost material, and we can get lots of this material from industry. Okay, these are all the raw materials we use from the formulation up to the membrane making. Okay, we have a polymer, additive, solvent, okay, non-solvent, and also surfactant. From this material, okay, in our lab we produce a different formula as SNF1, 2, and 3. Okay, in front of me now, okay, these are the polymer for the membrane. Okay, we have a solvent, okay, we have also a surfactant, and from this material we produce different formula. Okay, let me share with all of you, okay, the making of the SNF membrane. We started with the dope formulation, okay, in our lab. Okay, next we go for the casting process. Okay, from this casting process we are able to produce a very thin films of SNF membrane. Okay, after that we do a chemical treatment and a drying process, and okay, now our membrane is ready for testing. We not just do a desalination testing, but we have also performed a few characterization process, okay, to confirm the character of our membrane. Okay, data analysis. Okay, we focus on the two main parameters, that is volume flux and salt rejection. Okay, for these two parameters of performance, okay, we set the experimental condition, okay, with the pH at 8.1, salinity from 30,000 up to 50,000 ppm, and the most important is we use, okay, we conduct or we carry out this experimental, okay, at a very minimum operating pressure, that is 500 kilopascal, okay, about 5 bars, and this is, okay, absolutely a very low temperature. Because why? Common desalination process use from 20 bars up to 50 bars of operating pressure. Okay, volume flux and salt rejection. Okay, we compare our membrane as SNF1, 2, and 3 compared to the commercial polymeric membrane. Okay, and for volume flux and salt rejection, okay, this graph show us our membrane SNF1, 2, and 3 show to have a better volume flux and also a very higher rejection compared to the common nanofiltration membrane. Okay, so about the morphological analysis, these are the image from the scanning electron microscopy for the polymeric nanofiltration membrane SF1, 2 and 3. Okay, it's very clear the addition of surfactant convert, okay, the structure from a very long symmetrical structures of pore into a very a shorter, and also with the existing of micro and macro void, that's very good for the flux and also rejection. Okay, not only on the testing, okay, and also the morphologies, we also do a modeling, okay, to characterize a few key properties, important properties for nanofiltration membrane from for example, for pore size, porosity, pore density, okay, surface active charge up to molecular weight cutoff. Okay, interestingly, okay, we compare our SNF with a commercial polymeric membrane, and this data show that our membrane is comparable compared to the commercial membrane. But the most important point is, okay, our membrane, okay, is only 62 USD per 10 pieces in the price compared to the commercial polymeric membrane, okay, with the price up to $250. Okay, let me share with you the status of invention. We already done for the first stage on the formulation and membrane development. Also, done for the second stage on the testing, characterization and analysis. We are in the third stage of this, operation. That's how we are focusing for the commercialization and also industrial project. Okay, why this project so novel? This project novel because of we produce our own special formula. Okay, and our SNF membrane show to have a very good active surface charge, okay, a very good control, a narrow pores and fine pore statistic. Okay, in the aspect of inventiveness, as we prepare locally made membrane, okay, is able for us to control the active skin, porosity, pore size distribution and also the structures. Okay, the unique features, okay, this SNF membrane is a non-toxic technology, okay, hygiene and halal, okay, and very easy for us to tailor-make and scaling up. Okay, for the performance, as I mentioned before, we are not only produce a very good membrane, but also a very low cost membrane in the aspect of industrial application and usefulness. Okay, this SNF membrane is also applicable for the chemical industry, water production, electronic waste, energy recovery, as well as oil and gas and wastewater treatment. Okay, Frost and Sullivan reported that the nanofiltration segment membrane is mostly applied for the seawater and brackish water application. Okay, these are a few publications from our project using of this SNF membrane. Let me share with you a few projects using of this SNF membrane, and all this project is an industrial project. The first one is the treatment of seawater for the shrimp farm, brackish water treatment system, water softening system, mini park in Lengkeng, Selangor, as well as drinking water system. So that's all from me. Thank you very much and Assalamualaikum.